Godrej Consumers has surely reported a good inline set of numbers this time, and it's in line with the street expectations. Now let's have a look at what their business has done. In terms of the revenues, we are seeing a growth this time. Profits have also seen a sharp improvement, while the margins have also expanded. So surely a decent set of numbers coming in from Godrej Consumers. Volumes. India business volume grew by 7%, so we are seeing a good growth in volume terms as well. Now, other than that, the soaps sales have also grown by 15% on a year-on-year basis. Soap, hair color, both seem to have gained market share during this quarter as well. But what we are seeing is a moderating growth coming in from the HI segment. Now, that is something that was a bit, not on the positive side. It's not negative, but yes, there was, not as good as a growth that we were expecting to see in the HI segment. So growth, nonetheless, a decent growth coming in over there, but not a high double-digit growth or something that we were seeing in Q1. Now, overall, if you're going to see, the gross margins also have been under pressure this time, and that's due to the steep palm oil prices increase. And though that is not fully passed on to the consumers as yet, and obviously the likely higher ad spend is something that we could see going forward as well, and maybe that could be some sort of a pressure coming in over there. But they do have taken price hikes in the soap segment of around 4 to 5% in January that we had seen from January. So that is something that is waving off the pressure of the margins as of now. Now, international business, we've seen that GAUM as well as Latin and Europe and SAARC has surely seen a good growth coming in this time, while Indonesia has seen a slight decline coming in over there. So we did talk to Nisaba Godrej, and she did join NEETI now. So there were some of the points that she highlighted. What are the trends that was seen? It was very interesting. One, she did mention that urban is surely now started seeing a good pickup, and it's picking up and catching pace with the rural growth, as well as modern trade also is coming back in Q3 is what she's highlighted. So we could start seeing modern trade also shaping up well in Q4, and that's an indication over there that that could lead to a better growth for most other companies as well. Now, obviously, one trend, that is she's seen is that strong demand in health and hygiene obviously has continued. She did also highlight that, sanitizers, yes, we are seeing a lot of things coming out that, sanitizers demand may be tapering off, but that is only one small part of the health hygiene portfolio. So that may be tapering off, but overall the health hygiene portfolio, immunity, whether you see soaps, hand wash, that is surely seeing a good growth is what Nisaba Godrej highlighted. Talking about market share, she did say that obviously smaller players will be more under pressure because of the increase in raw material prices that we're seeing. Inflation in palm oil prices is a big thing for them to actually take up and pass on the price hike, but for branded companies it's easier. So obviously there must be some gains that they are seeing coming in from that as well, and maybe we could see some pressure on the margins going forward, slight pressure on the margins if they do not take price hikes. But the company has been taking calibrated price hikes. They may look forward also to take price hikes depending on the increase in the prices. As of now, nothing is, they're keeping a close eye on how the performance is going of in raw materials and how much of an inflation are we seeing further. As of now, nothing is expected, but maybe they could be taking a calibrated price hike going forward. Another trend that she did highlight is that premium categories are surely seeing a good growth, a double-digit growth. So that is something interesting, that discretionary spends also seem to be coming back, and obviously more established players are going to be lasting. Once they survive this situation, more established players will be gaining more market share, obviously, is what she's highlighted. So all in all, good commentary also coming in from Nisaba Godrej when she joined TT now.